Guys, you are gonna love this one. I am gonna give Candy Blossom to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna give you a few seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get to KITSUNE in Grow a Garden. You can get the KITSUNE pet for completely free using a working Grow a Garden code, and these are updated codes for the Zen update in Grow a Garden. Now KITSUNE is pretty much the rarest prismatic pet with a 0.08% chance of hatching it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the KITSUNE pet for free, and it literally takes just a few minutes, guys, so make sure you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you here in this video. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. Now to get to your code, it takes a few minutes, but just use your mobile phone internet, and you got to go to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, as you can see, into your internet browser, and it's going to take you to this codes website. They have hundreds of different codes on here. I've used them previously for other pets, but they do have a specific code on the Grow a Garden codes page that's going to get you the KITSUNE pet. So you can see this is a really popular method. Hundreds of people have used this today, and it is very highly rated, and these continue to work as well. So if you scroll down, you can see there are loads of different codes on this page, some specifically for the Zen update, so you can get chi points or chi coins. But this is the code here, guys. This is a Grow a Garden code to unlock all pets. So this is going to get you every single pet, including the KITSUNE pet. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just click on that and then click on show full code. And like I said, guys, this is just a simple working Grow a Garden code that you can enter in your game, and it's going to unlock all the pets, and that is the easiest method to get the KITSUNE pet for free. So you do need to unlock your code. Obviously, these codes are pretty valuable and desirable, and they are limited. As you can see, there's 373 left at the minute. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is unlock your code by clicking the button and following the instructions. I'm just going to skip past this, but essentially you need to complete a couple of the free tasks on this page to unlock your code. And these tasks are things like mobile applications, free surveys, and mobile games. They're all completely free. You just got to select 2 of them and make sure you follow the description and complete 2. So once you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Grow a Garden code will be unlocked. So this will be your personal code, exclusive to you, so you can use it. Make sure you keep it for yourself, use it, and that is how to get the KITSUNE pet for free in Grow a Garden. That is the easiest method. Like I said, this is a super rare pet, so you don't want to spend your Robux on eggs and what have you, so you can just literally grab this code. This is an unlock all pets code from Cold Coupons. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. If I helped you get the KITSUNE in Grow a Garden, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more Grow a Garden tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.